Yes.
Everyone can see my screen?
For
Okay.
me, yeah.
Everyone can see, right? So last session, up to installation we have completed, right? So today we are going to discuss about elbow and Y joint. So elbow means this is our strike duct. Whatever here we have done, this is our strike duct. If we need to take any turn, so let's say that if you are coming here, our duct is coming here. So LE enter ladder line, just showing my symbol. Its duct is going like this and it's taking turn here, right? In this position. Here we need to place our elbow here as well as here and these two places. So wherever where we have to take a turning point, there we need to give elbow. So to finding elbow formula will be, so here we have elbow, two types of elbow. One is 90°, one is 45°. So how to take elbow size? So each and every elbow, either it is 90° or 45°. So elbow we have one formula. So that formula will be everything, whatever we are doing, entirely it's depending upon width only. So elbow formula will be width, what? Width by 2. So one half set we have to take width by 2 and second one we have to take width. So this I'll explain you how we have to do. First one width by 2 and second one will be width. So let's say that L enter line. So here I am having one duct, maybe like this. So this is Y enter half set 800 mm. Oh, okay, I'll take this one little much. So Y enter half set 800 mm. Here I am having 800 mm. So here Y enter offset 800 as well as 600. So let's say that what I am doing here, I am preparing just one reducer for your understanding purpose. So assume that my duct is running like this. DLI, just I am checking my dimension. So here I am having duct width will be 800. Here I am having duct width will be 600. So in this duct, we are taking turn here. So this elbow for same for every equipment, either it is chillers, ducting, rectangle duct, round duct, square duct, elliptical duct, whatever. So my duct is going like this and taking turn here. In this duct, we have to check that which one is least point. So if I take this one, now you'll get an idea. So here, which one is least point? Above one or below one? Least point will be above one or below one?
Below one.
Above one. Least point means less length. Less length. If I am going here, which one? For this one, above or below?
Above.
Above.
Below, below. Which one is least length? If you compare this one and this one, which one is lengthy line?
Below one.
Above.
Lengthy line,
Above.
length line.
Above. The least. Above.
No, 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 you are not getting my point. If I consider this line and this line, above line and below line, which line is maximum length?
Below.
line.
Below line.
is maximum.
Below line is maximum length, right? Below
Okay.
line maximum length means above will be small length.
Yes.
So least curve will get above only.
The least, yes, is above.
Least will above. If I'm consider here, which one is least? Above or below?
Least is below.
Least is below.
Least is, yes.
Everyone understood? Which one is least, which one is highest?
I'm not understand what is the least.
Yeah, I'll tell you again. See, this is my duct, right? Totally, this is my duct. In this duct, we are coming our air here and we are taking turn here from bottom to top. That time here we have to prepare our elbow. Before preparing elbow, we need to know that which one is least length. Here we are having one line as well as here we are having one line. In above and below, compared to both lines, below line will be more length. So I'll take this length also so that you will have one idea. So here we are having 4408 millimeters. Here we are having 3608 millimeters. Which one is less length?
Below 108.
The above line 3600 mm.
Right. If I'm going here, 1556, 2156.
The below line 1056
Yes.
is
That time for below,
line.
which one is the least one? There we are going to prepare half set first formula, W2 by 2. Now
W2
I'll
by
show you
2.
here. So previously we have done our fillet command, right?
Yes.
So I think you people forgot it. I'll make one more time here. So like this, I am having lines. To join this one, selecting this one, F enter fillet, select this line and this line. So
We have to use radius.
yes, say if I have to use this one, F enter using this one and this one. If you want to get 90-degree angle, but if you want to get any curve, you have to use radius. Let's say that this duct width I am having 800. Then F enter fillet R for radius, R enter. Here see elbow, first step will be W by 2. W means 800. 800 by 2. Enter. Select this one, this one. Whatever you are getting curve, O enter half set, your width 800 enter. Now L enter line. See, if you see this radius and this radius, this is our ending points. This two, as well as this two will be our ending points. This both ending points we have to join with line. L enter line from this to this. So remember that always this square, it will indicate that end point. You can see in the screen also. From here to here. Then TR double enter trim this both lines. This is your elbow. This colors and all I am giving you reference only. Whenever you are preparing ducting drawing, you have to use only a single color. But for your understanding purpose, I am giving you different colors here. Same.
Sir, can you show the elbow radius in dimension?
Minhaj, your voice is very breaking down. I think some signal issue.
I think also need to understand again,
Yes.
from where do you get the elbow radius?
radius. So here you are having duct width, right? 600.
Yes.
So this is width by 2.
Width by 2. Okay, that's mean 300.
300. So least point
Okay.
by 2 you have, width by 2 you have to make, and
Okay.
large point you have to take how much you are having width, that much.
So the below
I'll show
lines
you.
I'm
I'll show you.
making. Okay.
Here width I am having 600. F
By 2 mean 300.
enter, yes, R enter. Directly you can give 300 or 600 by 2. You
Yes.
can give,
That's mean radius.
yes,
Fillet
radius.
radius 300.
600 by 2 you can give, as well as you can give directly 300. So here I am giving
Yes.
600 by 2. Enter. Selecting my this one and this one. After that, select this curve again. O enter half set. How much your duct width? How much my duct width here? 600. So 600 will come. Then TR enter, trim. This additional line you have to trim. L enter line from this point to this point, as well as this point to this point. This is your elbow. Understood?
Yes. Yes. That's mean the below the fillet 300.
Yes.
The upper fillet is 600.
600. Not 300,
Yes.
600. Means it's depending upon your duct width.
Yeah. I understand. I am saying the numbers so I can understand.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. So let's say that here I am having 200 width of my duct. Okay. Here I am having 200 width of my duct. So here I am going to prepare L enter line. So we'll go for top or bottom below, as you wish. We'll make ducting for above or below. We'll go top. So selecting this one, O enter half set, 200 my duct width. Now F enter, R enter. How much I have to take here?
200.
Yes, 200. Yes, of course.
Not 200.
The above one 100.
Yes, above one.
below,
First we have to take always least curve point. Then we have to make half set.
Okay.
Okay.
The above
Let's tell that
100.
wait.
Below
Now,
200.
now I'll show you the difference also. Why we are taking like this. O enter half set. Maybe I'm having here my duct width will be 300. Okay.
Okay.
So this is my duct. CO enter copy. Just I'm giving you comparison. F enter. So this my width will be how much we are getting? 300 mm. F enter, R enter, 300 by 2 enter. Selecting this one and this one, making half set. How much I have to make half set?
For the above one 150, the below 300.
300, right? So this is my elbow, right?
Yes.
If I am going F enter, R enter, 150 enter, this one and this one. Again F enter, R enter, 300 enter. Now if you see L enter line.
But this one is wrong.
If you see this curve is ending here.
Yeah, which is wrong.
This line is ending here. If you see here, this one and this one ending both here only.
Yeah, it should be like this. The first one.
First one.
The second one is second one is not good.
Wrong. You can see here directly. You can see. So this curve is ending here. Right?
Which is not right.
This is not wrong. So if you want to say means our elbow will come like this. For here also, elbow will come like this. Is it right?
No, it is not right.
Now, right.
Why?
So this is wrong. If
Yes, this is wrong. Well,
Yes.
that's what I'm saying. The second one is wrong. The first one is right.
right. So this is my elbow, right? This is a 90-degree elbow.
Yes, which is right? The first one
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
left.
So
The
this is
right
a
one.
90-degree elbow. How we can say that? Here we are having both will be straight lines, this and this. Right? So I'll show you F enter R and 0 enter. So here we are maintaining 0 degree, right? 90-degree. If you want to prepare 45-degree elbow, just take this one, CO enter, copy this curve and this curve. You make it center line. So this curve center line will be this one. And this curve center line will be this one. L enter line. Take center point. This one you said midpoint will say center point. This one and this one. TR,
Mr. Shafi, Mr. Shafi, could you please close your mic?
So this is my 45-degree elbow. 45-degree elbow means single elbow only. We are going to get two elbows. If I prepare from here to here, this is called 45-degree. Both concept will be same. Understood?
Yes, understood. And this also used in building to avoid some
Yes.
obstacles. Yes, understood.
See, let's say that here only I'll prepare. Let's say that my duct is running like this. Is it possible to maintain here 90-degree elbow?
But we can use 45.
We have to use 45. Here one 45-degree elbow we have to use. Here we have
Other
to use
side, yes, 45.
degree. We have
Yes.
to use 45-degree here, and here we have to use 90-degree elbow.
Yes.
Right? Same. If here we have made 200 elbow, right? Let's say that my duct is running like this, T shape. One minute, guys. Someone keep on asking questions. One minute, guys. Someone will keep on asking messages. Guys, I'll send one more link, guys.